Name the type of the quadrilateral formed, if any, by the following points and give the reasons for your answer. -1, -2, 1, 0 and -1, 2, -3, 0. First, let us see how this figure will look like on the graph using the following point. Okay, these are the vertices of quadrilateral. So this is looking like square. Still we have to find out using distance between 2 points formula. We need to find lengths of all the 4 sides of the quadrilateral and the lengths of the diagonals. Then based on that we can decide which type of quadrilateral is this. Let us find using distance between 2 points formula. Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Let us say that this is point A. A is -1, -2. B is 1, 0. C is -1, 2. And D is -3, 0. So first we have to find AB. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. So we have to substitute in this formula. Then we will get 1 minus of minus plus 1 whole square plus 0 plus 2 whole square. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 square is 4 and 2 square is 4. So we will write this as root 8 or we can also write as 2 root 2. Now we will find BC. So take this as x1, y1, this as x2 and y2. Square root of x2 minus x1 is 1 whole square plus y2 is 2 and y1 is 0 whole square. So -1 is -2 whole square is 4 and 2 minus 0 is 2 and 2 square is 4. So 4 plus 4. So this is also root 8. Now we have to find CD. Take this as x1, y1 and this as x2, y2 and substitute in the distance between 2 points formula. So -3 minus of minus is plus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square. -3 plus 1 is -2 minus 2 square is 4 and here also -2 whole square which is 4. So 4 plus 4 is root 8. Now we will find the fourth side which is DA. So take this as x1, y1 and this as x2, y2. So x2 minus x1. So -3 minus of -1 plus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1. 0 minus of -2 is plus 2 whole square. So -3 plus 1 is -2. -2 square is 4 and 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 square is 4. So now we got all 4 sides equal. So this can be, till now this can be a square or rhombus. If now we will find the lengths of the diagonals. If diagonals are equal, then it is a square. If diagonals are not equal, then it is rhombus. So let us find the first diagonal AC. So before finding AC, let us consider this as x1, y1 and this as x2, y2. So my x2 minus of -1 plus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 2 minus of -2 is plus 2 whole square. So -1 plus 1 is 0 and 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 square is 16. Square root of 16 is 4. Now we will find the second diagonal BD. So consider this as x1, y1 and this as x2, y2. So now substituting, we will get -3 minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square. So -3 minus 1 is -4, -4 square is 16 and this is 0. So square root of 16 is 4. Now 2 diagonals are equal and 4 sides are equal. So this is a square. Name the type of the quadrilateral formed, if any, by the following points and give the reasons for your answer. So we need to find which type of quadrilateral that will be formed by using these points. So let us see the quadrilateral on the graph using these vertices, how it will look like. So this is the quadrilateral formed using these points minus 3 comma 5, 3 comma 1, minus 1 comma minus 3 and minus 5 and 1. It is looking like parallelogram or rectangle we have to find. So in parallelogram opposite sides are equal, even in rectangle opposite sides are equal, but in rectangle the diagonals are equal. Parallelogram diagonals are not equal. So let us find all the four lengths of four sides of the quadrilateral and the lengths of the diagonal. Then we can come to a conclusion which type of quadrilateral is this. We can find the lengths using distance between 2 points. So let us say the points A minus 3 comma 5 and B 3 comma 1, C as 1 comma minus 3 and D as minus 1 comma 1. Now first we will find the length of side AB. So this will be x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. We will substitute x2 minus of minus x1 is whole square and y2 minus y1 is 1 minus 5 whole square. So 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 square is 36 and 1 minus 5 is minus 4 square is 16. So it is square root of 52. This is length of first side AB. Now let us find the length of BC. BC, take this as x1 y1 and this as x2 and y2. So x2 minus x1 whole square, which is minus 3, x2 is 1 minus 3 whole square plus y2 is minus 3 and y1 is minus 1 whole square. So 1 minus 3 is minus 2 square is 4 and minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4 square is 16. So 4 plus 16 is 20, square root of 20. Now we will find the length of side CD. So in this one, take this as x1, this as x1 y1, x2 y2. Now find the distance. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus of minus 3 whole square. So minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6 square is 36 plus 1 plus 3 is 16. 1 plus 3 is 4 square is 16. 36 plus 16 is square root of 52. Now we will find the length of DA, the largest side, fourth side. So take this as x1 y1 and this as x2 y2. So square root of minus 5 minus of minus 3 will be plus 3 whole square plus 1 minus 5 whole square. So minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2 square is 4 and 1 minus 5 is minus 4 minus 4 square is 16. 4 plus 16 is 20. So now here opposite sides are equal. Now we have to find the lengths of the diagonals. So first diagonal is AC. Let us take this as x1 y1 and this as x2 y2. So x2 minus x1 is minus 3, so 1 minus of plus 3 plus y2 minus y1. minus 3 minus 5 whole square. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 square is 16, plus minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8, minus 8 square is 64. 16 plus 64 is square root of 80. Now we will find the second diagonal, which is BD. So consider this as x1 y1 and here this x2 y2. Square root of minus 5 plus minus 3 whole square plus 1 minus 1 whole square. Now minus 5 minus 3 is minus 8. Minus 8 square is 64 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is square root of 64, which is 8 also you can say. So here diagonals are not equal and opposite sides are equal. So this is a parallelogram. The figure obtained is a parallelogram. Name the type of the quadrilateral formed with these points. So first let us have a look at the quadrilateral which can be formed with these points on graph. So if you look at this, this is looking like a rhombus or parallelogram. So anyway, let us find the lengths of all the sides and two diagonals, then we can come for a conclusion. So A is 4, 5, B is 7, 6, C is 4, 3 and D is 1, 2. We will find the lengths of all the sides using distance between 2 points formula, which is D is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So first we will find the length of AB. So here this is x1 y1 x2 y2. So square root of x2 minus x1, which is 7 minus 4 whole square plus y2 minus y1, which is 6 minus 5 whole square. So 7 minus 4 is 3, 3 square is 9 and 6 minus 5 is 1, 1 square is 1. So that will be square root of 10. So this is the length of side AB. Now let us find length of side BC. So we will take this as x1, y1, x2, y2. Now x2 minus x1 is 4 minus 7 whole square plus 3 minus 6 whole square, y2 minus y1. 4 minus 7 is 3, 3 square is 9 and 3 minus 6 is minus 3, minus 3 whole square is also 9. So that is square root of 18. Now we will find the distance between points C and D. So let us take this as x1, y1 and this as x2, y2. So square root of x2 minus x1 is 1 minus 4 whole square and y2 minus y1 is 2 minus 3 whole square. So which is 1 minus 4 is minus 3, minus 3 square is 9, 2 minus 3 is minus 1 square is 1, square root of 10. Now we have to find the distance between points D and A. So let us say this as x1, y1 and this as x2, y2. Now we will find the distance. x2 minus x1. So 1 minus 4 whole square plus 2 minus 5 whole square. Square root of 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Minus 3 square is 9. 2 minus 5 is minus 3. Minus 3 square is 9. Square root of 18. So here we can see that opposite sides are equal. 18 and 18 are equal and root 10 and root 10 is equal. So this can be either a rectangle or parallelogram. So that can be confirmed after finding the lengths of the diagonals. If the lengths of the diagonals are equal, then that is a rectangle. If they are not equal, then it is parallelogram. So we will find the first diagonal AC. So let us say that this is x1 y1 and x2 y2. So square root of x2 minus x1, which is 4 minus 4 whole square, plus y2 minus y1 is 3 minus 5 whole square. 4 minus 4 is 0, 0 square is 0, and 3 minus 5 is minus 2 square is 4. So square root of 4, which is 2. Now we will find second diagonal, which is BD. So let us say this as x1 y1 and x2 y2. So find x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1 is 1 minus 7 whole square, plus y2 minus y1 is 2 minus 6 whole square. 1 minus 7 is minus 6 square is 36, 2 minus 6 is 4 square is 16, so square root of 52. Clearly the diagonals are not equal. So this figure obtained by joining these points, the quadrilateral, which is parallelogram.